Hello and a very warm welcome to your third edition of ET GCC GCC Growth Summit 2026. I'm Apurva Shukla and currently with me is Mr. Ramesh from Tech Systems. Please welcome him. Hi Ramesh.
Hi Apurva. Good to meet you.
Glad to meet you too. Ramesh, the first question that I would like to ask you is, how is Tech Systems helping enterprise reinvent their backbone for the AI era?
So, what's happening from an AI front? See, technology is becoming an enabler. It is no more about just technology as a separate service. So, what we try to do is we try to solve the business problems for the customers, and that is through technology. We've got various models. So, one is we have managed services, we have capacity where we manage the workforce. We also provide staffing solutions where the customer requires that. But what's also important is in an AI era, it is not just about knowing the technology because today there are tools, there are agents that can do the coding. Now, how do you use that code effectively is what is the key. So, we have a high train deploy because today the technology is moving so fast. So, what you need to do is you need to equip the people and train them to be ready in their area of expertise. And the second thing is it's not a training only on the technology front, it's also on the business front. So those are the things which we are doing through various models and working with our customers.
Another question that I would like to ask you is, what are the biggest workforce challenges in adopting AI at scale?
So we can talk about both from a supply perspective and from a retention perspective. Now the demand for AI is really huge. And the reason is because everybody, all customers are trying to embrace AI and they're trying to hire from the market. So there's a scarcity of skills. So that's the first problem we're trying to solve. Now, how do you solve that? It is through ensuring that you hire the right talent, but at the same time, you also train them and make them ready. So what we have done with our customers is we've taken adjacent skills and then we've trained on the secondary and tertiary skills, excuse me, that is required for that job. The second is there's so much competition in the market that people want AI engineers and they try to poach. So how do the customers retain? How do we help customers retain the talent for themselves? So we have a very robust process. We have something called an employee value proposition. We see whether the interest of the employee matches with what the customer provides. We also provide a lot of opportunity to ensure they get upskilled, they get certifications, they get trained. It's all about the value and the culture and the experience that the TE or the engineer who gets into the job, what kind of experience that person is getting really makes a difference. So that's what we are trying to do.
Thank you so much for the amazing insights. Stay tuned to ET GCC World's LinkedIn to know more about what's happening right here at the third edition of this event. Thank you.